Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you all trials how to use. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in all trials and then hit search. And once the tab loads, tap on the app and then download the app by simply tapping on the get button or the install button. Now once you have downloaded the app, open it up, and once you open it, be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, the home screen you'll be seeing bunch of options that are given to you. Now all you gotta do is just simply select the trail that you want to add, or you can just simply tap on the search option on the top bar and then search for the location that you want to hike in. Now once you do that, all you gotta do is just simply select the option. Now you can see there are two options, that is download and then map. You can also simply tap on download and download the map, but keep in mind that you will need all trial plus subscription in order to download the map. If you want to create a custom map, tapping on the saved option, and then you'll find the option that says my maps, and here what you need to do is just simply tap on the option that says create map, and you'll be able to create a custom trial for yourself. And now here you can also tap on community to see persons that use the all trials app, to look at their recommendations as well. And while selecting the app, I recommend you to look at the reviews as well, because it helps you. And you can also tap on navigate right here and then start the trail that you have selected as well. And that's basically how to use it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.